We're kicking off a full gut renovation before the big transformation. Down in the basement, we've added new footings to support columns and beams that'll carry the load of the upper floors. New footings ensure the load from above travels through columns and safely into the ground. We removed a bearing wall here. Now a new beam and columns support the floor joists above. We also took out the wall at the kitchen entrance to open up the floor plan. Let's head over and take a closer look. Here's the kitchen. No cabinets yet, but once it's all finished, this space is going to be the heart of the home. Now, with the wall gone, it's got a bright, open feel. Now let's take these stairs up to the second floor and see what's going on up there. Here's the master bedroom, spacious, with a big walk-in closet and a bathroom featuring a ceiling-top window that brings in natural light and adds character to the space. Features like this not only add character, but also give the room that calm, elevated feel you want in a primary suite. But don't expect any spa vibes just yet. We're still a few tiles away from fancy. Once it's finished, this master bedroom will be incredible. These windows and lighting will really make the space shine. That's a wrap for now. Stay tuned and subscribe to keep up with the progress of this renovation project.